Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, we will discuss Cisco Discovery Protocol, which is also known as CDP. So let's start. For today's lab, we are not going to use packet tracer. I will show you on our company's core switch. I will run the commands and I will show you the output. To check the neighbors, all you need to do is just type show CDP neighbor, and here you will see the list of all neighbors connecting with this switch. We have two wireless controllers and 18 access switches are connected over core switch. These are all over access switches. So if we type this command show CDP neighbor details, it will give you the breakdown of each device. So let's say if you are unaware of your device IP, so if you just type show CDP neighbor details, so under this command it will give you some details like, as I mentioned, the IP address, IPv6 address, and also at the last hold time. So as you can see that I am on first floor switch, I telnet this switch from my core switch, and here I will show you how CDP neighbor commands will work. As you can see, now I am on access switch, and here we will run the show CDP neighbors command, and I will show you how show CDP neighbors command will show us the output on a access switch. So this is our core switch, and below that you see the APs. These are the Cisco access points which are connected with this particular access switch. Similarly, if we type show CDP neighbor details command, and it will give you a breakdown of each device details including its IP. So if it's easy for you, if you don't know the IP of a particular access point, or if you are on a core switch and you want to know the IP of our access switches, you can just simply type the command show CDP neighbor detail, and it will give you the breakdown of each device connected to your main device. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.